Today I will show you a puppet show. The name of the story is The Fox and the Grapes. One day there was a hungry fox searching food everywhere. Luckily, he found a fine bunch of grapes hanging from a vine. The fox's mouth began to water, but the grapes were hanging from a tall branch. The fox's mouth began to water. The fox tried to reach the grapes by jumping as high as he could in the air, but he could not get it. He tried again and again, but he could not get it. Tired and hungry fox, finally he gave up trying. The fox walked away and said to himself, "Those grapes must be sour. It is good I did not eat them." Moral of the story: it is easy to hate what you cannot get. Thank you.